Good afternoon, students. We'll continue with our online class for our subject Biology for Engineering. We shall continue with the first unit, Introduction to Life. In our last session, we have seen the topic related to Unit 1, that is, the topic what we have discussed was the biomolecules. In the biomolecules, we have discussed the example of biomolecule like protein we have discussed. We have seen the definition of proteins and we have seen the classification of proteins. I told you to draw this classification of proteins in your notes of biology and send it to my WhatsApp number. That was the homework what I have given in our last class. Who did not send will not get the attendance for our last class. So students, kindly watch the complete video and do the homework what I am giving. Then only you will get the attendance as well as the assignment marks. Remember, this biology will give you the 3 credits and the assignment marks also will be given by me when you do the homework and watch the complete video. Then only you will be getting the assignment marks. This classification of proteins you need to draw in your classwork or notes of biology and send it to my WhatsApp number. Take the photos. This is your homework. Functions of proteins we have discussed in our last class. Definition of vitamins. The important biomolecule we have discussed in our last class. And also we have seen the classification of vitamins. And we have seen this classification of vitamins. The flowchart also you need to draw in your classwork of biology and send it to my WhatsApp number. Take the photos of all the diagrams what you are drawing in unit 1. Then only you will be getting the attendance as well as the assignment marks. I am repeatedly informing you, do watch the complete video and do the homework for the marks and attendance. As it is very important, this will give you 3 credits, the biology subject. We have also seen the functions of vitamins in our last class. Today what we will be discussing in our session is the important biomolecule, that is enzymes. Enzymes are nothing but the specialized proteins. Enzymes are the specialized protein that are acting as biological catalyst. Biological, here the term biological what we are using, it means that bio related to living organisms. So biological means it is derived from the living organisms, and the term catalyst here, the biological catalyst, bio is related to the living organisms, and the catalyst here is, it refers to the substance that has the ability to increase the rate of chemical reaction. Catalyst will increase the rate of the reaction. the reaction rate will be increased and the reaction will be completed very fast by the enzymes. Enzymes are nothing but the special proteins that is helping in increasing the rate of the chemical reaction. During the chemical reaction, they are acting as biological catalyst as it is increasing the rate of the reaction so that the substrate will be converted into the product very fast in the different chemical reactions whatever is occurring in the living organisms. The biochemical reactions of the cell, they catalyze, they are increasing the rate of the chemical reactions of the cell. Enzymes are increasing the rate of the chemical reactions of the cell and they are acting as biological catalyst. Biological here is, it is derived from the living organisms. Bio means living. Catalyst here refers to the substance which has the ability to increase the rate of the chemical reactions of the cell are nothing but the enzymes. This is the definition of enzymes, which is the important biomolecule what is included in your syllabus. Next we have is classification of enzymes. When we see the classification of enzymes, all the enzymes are classified into 6 major classes. First one is oxidoreductase, second one transferase, third one hydrolases, fourth one lyases, fifth one isomerases, sixth one is ligases. International Union of Biochemistry appointed a commission on enzymes to propose this classification of enzymes, and according to these classifications all enzymes are classified into 6 major classes. First one oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolases, lyases. Fifth one is isomerases and the last one is ligases. This classification of enzymes also, you need to write the 6 major classes of enzymes in your notes of biology. This is your homework. You need to take the photo and send it to my WhatsApp number. I am repeatedly informing you. Do watch the complete video, do the homework for attendance and assignment marks, as it is very important for you to get the credits also. 3 credits you will get from this subject biology. Then we have functions of enzymes. Enzymes are the proteins we have discussed. They are the special proteins which are performing different functions in the body. Like the first one, they are helping in the process of digestion in the body. They are helping in the process of digestion. Different enzymes like this one, amylase is an enzyme. Amylase is an example of enzyme which is breaking the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates we have discussed in our previous sessions. Carbohydrates, sugars, whatever the body consumes will be broken down by the help of the enzyme that is amylase. Protease will break down the proteins and lipases will break down the lipids. So that breaking down of this carbohydrates, proteins and lipids by this different enzymes will give us the energy for our body. Metabolism. which is an important process to remove the toxic waste from our body. This metabolism process will be done by the help of the different enzymes. Enzymes is also helping in decreasing the BP in the patients with high BP. Proteolytic enzymes are helping in wound healing process. Some enzymes are also present on the nephron, which will prevent the excretion of the useful substances nephron. It is related to the kidneys. All these are the different functions of enzymes. Enzymes are the important biomolecules which is performing all these various functions in the body of the living organisms. Examples of enzymes. All these are the different enzymes present in the bodies of the human beings. The first enzyme is amylase here. Amylase, lactase, diastase, sucrase, maltase, invertase, pepsin, trypsin, lipase and cellulase. Cellulase, all these are the examples of enzymes. Examples of enzymes are given here, which will help in different digestive system of the human beings. The first one is amylase, which is breaking down the carbohydrates, starch and the sugars. This is sugar. Then lactase, it's a milk sugar which is breaking down the lactose. Diastase, vegetable starch, sucrase, sugars and starch will be broken down so that it will give us the energy for the human beings. Maltase, malt sugar, invertase, table sugar, pepsin will break down the proteins to peptides. Complex compounds will be converted into simple compounds so that the body of the human beings can use the simple compounds and obtain the energy that can be used for the maintaining and functioning of the living organisms and thus protecting us from different infections and all. This trypsin will break down the proteins. Breaking down of proteins will yield us the energy which will be used for maintaining and protecting the human bodies or the living organisms. Lipase will break down the fats or the lipids. Lipase is the enzyme which is breaking down the fats or lipids so that will give the energy for performing different functions for the maintaining for the survival of the living organisms, for maintaining and protection from different infections, microorganisms. Cellulase is absent in humans. So all enzymes are the proteins. These are the different examples of proteins which are breaking down different components in the digestive system like carbohydrates, starch, lipids, proteins will be broken down from complex to simple substances by the help of these enzymes. In the classes, in the classification of enzymes, we have seen the first class as oxidoreductase. Just a second. The first classification, oxidoreductase, we have discussed. This is the example of oxidoreductase. Classification we have seen, no? Classification of enzymes. It is classified into 6 classes. That is oxidoreductases. The first one, oxidoreductase. We are discussing here the classification of enzymes. The first one, oxidoreductase. Oxidoreductase here is the first classification of enzymes. Here you can see it is performing both oxidation and reduction. In the reaction, it is undergoing the process of oxidation and reduction. S here is the substrate. Substrate or the substance in the chemical reaction, it is undergoing both oxidation and reduction process in oxidoreductase. S1 plus S2 will give rise to S1 plus S2, and S1, these are the reactants and these are the products. To the right side of this arrow we call it as products, and to the left side of this arrow we call it as reactants. This is the chemical reaction. Reactants will react and they give rise to a particular products during a chemical reaction. In oxidoreductase, these enzymes will undergo both oxidation and reduction reactions between two substrates. These two substrates, S1 and S2, they oxidize or reduce the substrate by transferring the hydrogens. You can see here hydrogen H plus is transferred during this oxidoreductase reactions. This class of enzyme, oxidoreductase, is helping in oxidation and reduction reactions. We also call it as redox reaction between two substrates, that is S1 and S2. Example of oxidoreductase, the reaction what we are taking here is ethanol. When it is reacting with NADH plus H plus, it is giving rise to ethanol plus NAD plus. So here transfer of hydrogens is taking place from NADH plus H plus to ethanol. In the reactants here, you don't find the hydrogen here. It is transferred to ethanol in the products. In the reactants, you can see this hydrogen. So transfer of hydrogen is taking place. Hydrogen is lost from NADH and it is gained by ethanol. In this reaction, ADH here is alcohol dehydrogenase, which is the enzyme which is helping in transfer of hydrogens in this reaction. That is ethanol plus NADH plus H plus will be changed into ethanol plus NAD plus in the presence of the enzyme ADH. The enzyme ADH is alcohol dehydrogenase. Alcohol dehydrogenase is the enzyme here which is catalyzing this reaction. Okay, this is the example you can take in the first class of enzyme, that is oxidoreductase. This one, oxidoreductase. The example of the reaction what we have discussed is this. It is undergoing, this class of enzyme is catalyzing the transfer of both the hydrogens or the electrons, and it is undergoing oxidation and reduction reactions. Oxidation reduction reaction, we call it as redox reactions. Next, the second one we have is transferases. Transferases, in the classification of enzymes, the second class what we have is transferases. This is transferases. Transferases are the enzymes which is transferring the functional groups. S here is the substrate. This is a chemical reaction. The left side of the reaction is the reactants and the right side are the products. S here is the substrate. S1 is first substrate. S2 is second substrate. F is the functional group. In the transferases enzymes, they will transfer this functional group. Transfer of functional group will be taking place in transferases. You can see here the functional group F1, it is transferred from the substrate S1 to the acceptor molecule S2 here in the reaction. So functional group F is transferred from substrate S1 to the acceptor S2 in this transferases. Okay. Then in hydrolases. Hydrolases are the class of enzymes that will perform the hydrolysis of compounds. Hydrolysis reaction of compounds will be done by the help of this enzymes hydrolases. Splitting of water molecule. Splitting of water molecule is nothing but the process helping in hydrolysis of compounds. Water hydrolysis. Splitting of water molecule and adding this water molecule to the substrate. This water H2O here will be split and this water will be added to the substrate in the products in the reaction by the help of the enzyme lipase. So hydrolases are the class of enzymes that is catalyzing the hydrolysis of compounds. Nothing but hydrolysis is the splitting of water molecule and adding this water molecule to the substrate, this water molecule. Okay, example of the reaction of hydrolase here is triglyceride. Triglyceride plus water will give rise to diglyceride plus fatty acid. This reaction will be catalyzed by the help of the enzyme lipase belonging to the hydrolases class of enzymes. Okay, so this is hydrolases. So we have discussed just now the classification of enzymes, and that we have seen oxidoreductase, transferase and hydrolases. What is remaining is lyases, isomerases and ligases in the classification of enzymes. So this is lyases. This lyases enzymes will catalyze the addition or elimination of water. The fourth class lyases will catalyze the addition or elimination of water, lyases. This class of enzymes will include this fumarase. Fumarase is the enzyme here which is eliminating the water molecule from the substrate. Elimination of water molecule will take place here. Malate in the presence of the enzyme fumarase. Fumarase is the enzyme here which is converting the malate to fumarate, and water is eliminated by this enzyme which is catalyzing the addition or the elimination of water by the class of enzymes, that is lyases. This is the example of the reaction. Next we have is isomerases. Isomerases are the enzymes which is catalyzing the reactions. Rearrangement of the functional groups will be taking place here. This is the example of the enzyme glucose phosphate isomerase is the enzyme related to the class of enzyme, that is isomerases. Glucose phosphate isomerase is the enzyme which is helping in conversion of glucose 6-phosphate to fructose 6-phosphate. These enzymes will help in rearrangement of the functional group in the molecules, and they will convert the reactants to the products or the substrate to the products. Next we have ligases or synthetases, the last class of the enzymes. The sixth one is ligases in the classification of enzymes, or we also call it as synthetases. Nothing but synthetase or ligase is joining together. Ligation is joining together of two smaller compounds to make a larger compound. Okay, ligation, ligase, synthetase is joining together of smaller compounds to make it the larger ones. The energy for this type of reactions will be taken by the molecules, that is ATP. Full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. ATP will give the energy. ATP are the energy currency. Adenosine triphosphate. So, ligases, synthetases are the last class of enzyme. This is the example of ligase reaction. ATP plus acetate plus CoA will give rise to acetyl CoA plus AMP plus pyrophosphate. In the presence of the acetyl CoA synthetase enzyme, these substrates will be converted into products. Okay, acetyl CoA synthetase is the class of enzymes related to the ligases or synthetases, which is undergoing this reactions. These enzymes are joining the smaller compounds and making the larger compounds in the different types of reactions. This is the enzyme acetyl CoA synthetase is the enzyme which is helping in conversion of the substrates to the smaller substrates to the larger ones by joining. So ligases, synthetases is joining together of the smaller compounds. So this is the examples of some of the examples of ligases are acetyl CoA synthetase or amino acyl tRNA synthetase is the common examples of ligases. So that's all for today's class. We have discussed the classification of enzymes. All these classifications and reactions you need to write down in your classwork of biology and take the photos and send it to my WhatsApp number. Then only you will get the attendance. Do watch the complete video, students, for assignment and attendance. At the end, don't ask me for the assignment marks and all. Okay. So thank you, students. We'll continue with our next topic of the Unit 1 in our next class.